Hello my crochet friends, this is Lady Jenna and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to look at 3 music boxes from Dollarama. It's not the smaller size music box, but the larger size that comes in the box. We will be getting a music element, which is the music box, instruction sheet, plywood with the cutouts, and screws. It does not come with a screwdriver, so I will have to get one of those, and also it does not come with glue. I'm pretty sure I'll have to glue this, but we will see, because this model is the Gramophone. Also have this one, which is dancers, and we also have a Carousel, which I believe this will be my favorite. And if we look on the side, there's only 3 options which I have. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to start with this Gramophone. I'm not going to assemble it on video. What I'm going to do is I will assemble it off video, all 3, and then we will take a look at how hard these was to assemble, if I needed to use glue, and also what music came with it. So let's start by looking what's inside this box. I've already taken everything out, and this is what we have. Let's start with this would be the music box itself. It looks larger than the previous little boxes. And also it comes with a few things. There, we've got our screws. Next, we do have our instructions. We have picture instructions, and we have written instructions in English, Spanish, and in French. And then we have these plywood with the cutouts. Always be careful when you remove the cutout. If you need to use an X-Acto knife to help it off, to help cut the pieces from the plywood, go ahead, but be careful. Once everything is removed, use a little bit of sandpaper and remove all of the burrs and everything that you do not like. Make sure it's smooth so the pieces go together perfectly. If you need to, do use some glue to glue everything together, so it makes it a little bit more perfect. Once everything is done, if you would like to, you can paint it or you can stain it. It's up to you. I have completed all 3 music boxes. The first one I'm going to show you is this Gramophone, or record player that I've called it before. So this is how it looks like. If I compare to the smaller music box, this was the smaller one, so this is the difference between the 2. Also, the music is different. This one was the easiest to build. I did use some glue. I glued all of this part. I glued this. You need to glue to make sure that it's sturdy and it doesn't fall apart. I like building these things. Now, the thing is that when you remove the pieces from the sheet, make sure to use an X-Acto knife and you don't force any pieces, because you can break those. I've broken a few pieces that I had to glue. Now, the record player you can actually remove it, but I'm not going to, but it's removable. And here how it sounds like. Now, I don't know what this music is. If you have any idea what it is, please leave it in the comment section. I've looked for it, but I don't know what it is. Let me just show you the second one. So this is my second build, and it looks like this. Oh, and you can see the top portion. You can remove it. And also the dancers, you can put there's 3 different types of dancers you can add. So this is the box. This you can remove. And again, it's the same kind of music box. Now, the only thing is that the middle part, I did glue everything. This was a bit harder to assemble than the other one. and when you do remove the pieces from the sheets, this portion here, you have to be careful not to break them. And also, I don't know why, but this is not tight enough, so it doesn't stay properly. When you add it in, like, it doesn't stay upright. So I would need to put a little shim. So that would be fine if I would do that. But let's take a look. This is how it looks like. Look how pretty this is. These are all glued on. And there was little hearts, and I decided to glue them like this. On the box, it's not like this, like you can see. And it's very pretty. I like the result. I like what it does. So let me just show you what the music is. So this is Music Box Dancer. But you don't play around with it like I'm doing right now. But this is my second one. It was a little bit harder to do than the first one. A little bit more patience because you have to let the glue dry. So let's look at my third music box and the hardest to do. This took a very long time. You need to glue this. It's not straight. It's nice though. I mean, it's a nice carousel, but it's the hardest. And these pieces are very, very delicate. Broke a few, which I had to glue. The instructions are easy to follow. However, for this pattern, you have to look at it very carefully because there were some parts that I added that I needed to weigh before doing and so forth. But the box, I did glue a little bit. The feet I did glue. Let's listen to the music. And it is How Much Is Thy Dog in a Window? So those are my 3 music boxes. If I had to buy them again, would I? Of course I would. I mean, I love making these. I absolutely enjoy it. If you want to look at them further, just wait until the end of the video and you will see them with their little music one by one. Have yourself a great day. Take care. See you in the next video.